iOS 26 comes with a new design called the liquid glass. And as you see on the screen, this is the liquid glass. So we are just going to take a look at it, how it really works, how it really reacts with us, and also everything that you need to know. But just subscribe and like it because I'll be making some videos that will really be talking about how you can save data on the iOS 26, how you can save your battery on iOS 26, and more will be coming right here. So you just need to subscribe and like the video for more because more will be coming right here on this platform. Okay, so if you want to also know how you can update to the new iOS 26 version, that is the beta version of it. The 26 is not yet released, so you'll be getting only beta versions for now till September, of which the iOS 26 will officially be released for everyone to use. Okay, they're just a beta version of it. So you can check that in the comment section and know how you can do it on your smartphone. It's just simple steps. Okay, so let's start and let's talk more about the liquid glass that iOS 26 comes with. So let's start straight from the lock screen. And on the lock screen, the liquid glass is right here with the clock. And then also down here, we have the flashlight right here, the icons. It also customizes as well. Okay, so let's say if you want to customize, you will then see the liquid glass right here that you just need to tap and hold and drag and be changing the size of the clock. Okay, so the liquid glass is right here and another one two down here when it comes to the lock screen. Okay, so yes, and then also when you are unlocking your device, you can see it right here. The display is very nice. It was very nice, very perfect. So you can see right here. Let's check this side as well. Cool. It's very nice. So this is the liquid glass that we are checking up on this channel. More will be coming on this platform, so just need to subscribe. Okay, so let's say we've got to where the apps are. This is the look as well when it comes to the app library. Very nice and very interactive. Very nice and interactive as well. And the icons on the home screen, for me, it's just much brighter and much clearer compared to the other one that we were having. And I would say I love this one compared to the other one. It's very nice, it's very clear, it's very beautiful. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's so neat, it's so neat. Okay, so now let's check with our notification to also see from our control center. Let's check there first. So with the control center, you can also see from here the customization has been done very perfect, so clean and beautiful. So yeah, wow, I like how it reacts, how it responds to our movement, everything on the screen right here. So not on the notification, so that's why we are seeing this. So there's nothing right here. Okay, yes. So what of other apps like Apple Music, Apple TV, camera? Let's check it out as well. Let's get to camera. After that, we will move on from there. So with the camera down here is some little customization right here. Okay, and when we tap and hold and then swipe to the other side of it, you could see like a flow. Okay, it's not working right here. You can see it's like a flow right here. Yes, yes. So it's very cool, it's very nice when it comes to the camera side. Okay, so now let's check the photos as well to see one or two things from there. So from the photos as well, when you come here, we have the library, we have the collections right here, and then the search icon to right here, and at the top to yes. So a lot of changes in the iOS 26, and this is some of them. I'll bring you more. Just subscribe and like the video for more, so you can see how it moves from one place to another. It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, so let's check another thing right here. When it comes to the icons, when you tap and hold, you go to edit, you go to customize, and then you go to clear and you select light. Everything looks white. Everything is just light on your smartphone, and that's one of, you know, the features that people are looking for. So I just need to bring this through so that you can, get to also either update on, get it as well, if let's say you want to change or customize it yourself. So that's the clear customization right here, but I'll go for the default, okay, because it's one of my favorite. So let's go to the Apple Music and see what we have as well. So with the Apple Music as well, you can see down here we have the liquid glass right there responding, and it's very nice. It's very nice. Trust me, it's very cool. It looks so nice and beautiful. Wow. So that is it for the Apple Music. No, nothing at the top right here. Okay. So let's check Apple TV and see. Yes. So we are here as well, and then we have the home tool having that liquid fluid flow background right there. Yes. And then also let's try to check a movie and see from there. To the lock screen. So wow, wow, looks so beautiful. So you can see the liquid glass all over on your screen, and you're able to see what is behind. Okay, so you see everything right there, right there, so you can see through. Okay, so I think it's good, it's cool. When it comes to the liquid glass, is one of the best choice. Okay, yes. So let's continue from there. With the liquid glass, I would say it's cool. After checking one or two with it, I would say it's very, very nice. I like how it looks like, the interaction with it. Everything looks very, very neat and clear. So I would say it's good. If you want to update your iPhone to the latest version to get this, okay, that's iOS 26 beta version 1, you can check in the comment section description and then update your smartphone to the latest iOS, and then you'll be getting the liquid glass. So they just a look of the liquid glass that the iOS 26 comes with. Stay alive, and then I will see you in the next video.